What up guys, I believe if you participated in Dr. X airdrop, you must have received your DRX token in your wallet, your xPortal wallet right now. Alright, so the listing is on the 17th of December, which is just less than 24 hours from the time of this video. And the exchange that is going to be listing this token is the Gate.io. That's the first exchange that is listing the DRX token. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can send your DRX token to your Gate.io exchange and swap it to USDT or any other token you want to swap it into. All right, you are just basically, I'll show you how you can trade your DRX into USDT or into any other cryptocurrency of your own choice. And apart from that, you can also use the xPortal wallet and swap this token into EGLD or USDT if you wish also. I'll be showing you all that in this video. So if you're interested in knowing how to do all these things by yourself, you need to pay attention to every single details in this video till the end. Alright, so if you did everything very well from your mining down to your KYC and also your linking of your wallet, you should be having your DRX token in your wallet, in your xPortal wallet right now. But if you do not have it, definitely something went wrong. You did something wrongly. So those of you that got yours, congratulations. But if you notice, the amount you mine in the Dr. X application is not the amount of token that was sent into your wallet, and I believe this is because they are giving the allocations according to the number of referrals that completed their KYC. all right, so if you do not have exactly what you got from the mining application, maybe it's because of your referrals weren't able to complete their KYC, and that's why their token were burnt. So the bonuses that are supposed to be added to your balance got burnt. All right, now quickly, in order for you to be able to make use of this application to swap your DRX to EGL or USDT or any other cryptocurrency over here, you definitely need to have some gas fee, and this gas fee has to be the EGLG token currency because this is the native token of the xPortal wallet. And you can also buy this EGLD token from different exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, Bybit, and some other exchanges out there. It doesn't have to be a very high amount. Maybe the minimum of $1 worth of this token is okay for you to do whatever you want to do in this wallet. All right, and I doubt if it's going to be up to $1. It's not going to be up to $1, but just to be on the safe side, have the minimum of $1 worth of EGLD token, all right, as the gas fee. All right, so now if you want to swap, all you have to do is to come over to this exchange section. Then you can make use of the exchange and do what you want to do. But as for me, I want to just send these funds to my Gate.io exchange where I can trade it or do whatever I want to do right there. So all you have to do in order for you to send your funds to the Gate.io, you first have to go to the Gate.io platform exchange and copy your DRX token wallet address from there and bring it down. All right, so here we are in my Gate.io exchange. So in case you do not have this exchange, there's a link in the description of this video. Go there, click on it, and you can sign up and have an account and start using this exchange. It's one of the biggest exchange right now where you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, even the new ones and old ones. You can see them all here. You can find them here on this exchange. All right, now quickly, what you have to do once you get here, you click on the asset section. Then you can just click on this search icon over here. Click on this search icon over here, you can see it here. Then you write DRX. All right, that's the token. Okay, it's going to come up this way. Then you select it, you select the token. Once this come up, click on deposit, click on the deposit. All right, select this on chain. Yes, it's on chain. Then you wait. All right, so this is your wallet address that you are going to copy. You just click on this, copy this wallet address, copy it. Then you go to your xPortal wallet where you have the DRX token. Quick, copying it, you're back into your wallet this way. Then you click on your XRX, you click on it on your DRX token, sorry. Then you click on send button, which is right here. You send, then it's going to bring you here. Then you are going to click, I'm going to be clicking max because I want to send everything. All right, I'm going to click on max, then I click continue this way. All right, so I'm going to paste. Yes, this is the wallet address I just copied. I'm just going to paste it here. All right, very good. All right, so I just paste the wallet address right there. Then the next thing is to do is to click on the next button. I'm going to click on next. Okay, very good. So I get over here. This is what your interface should look like. All right, so once you get here, it's going to ask you to send. All right, now you can see the gas fee. It's not even up to 1 cent. You can see the network fee, what I'm paying. It's not up to 1 penny, 0.00252. So it's very, very cheap. The gas fee is very, very cheap, guys. It's not up to 1 cent. So guys, that is it, and all I will have to do now is to click on send over here. All right, I'm going to put my biometrics, cover this up. It was saying it was successful. I'm going to click on done right here, and all we have to do now is to go and check our Gate.io to see if we've gotten this token right there. All right, you can see my balance is now empty, so my DRX token will be sent to my Gate.io exchange, and I'm going to go there and check it out right here. Checking my Gate.io, I just received the Dr. X. You can see it right here. I just received the DRX in my Gate.io. So I'm just going to be waiting for the time for me to be able to swap this to USDT or sell it to any other cryptocurrency I want to. All right, but right now we won't be able to swap it because it's not a time. All right, so I'm just going to wait for the right time. But to do that, it's very easy. All you have to do is to click on the trade section, which is right here. Click on trade. Once you click on trade, it's going to bring you to an interface looking like this. All right, now this is where you can convert, swapping it easily. All right, or if you like, you can just click on the button once more. It's going to bring you the interface of spot trading. So all you have to do once you are here, you can just click over here, then you switch this to DRX/USDT. You can type it right here. You can just type it DRX, okay, this way. Then you search it. You can see it is already here. Then it's actually loading. You can see it's already, the countdown is on. You can see we have one day left. We have 1 day 7 hours left. All right, so just gonna click on understand this. So this is it. Once you get over here, you want to sell it, you just click on the sell button. Then you can just if it's all, you drag this to the end, or you just write the amount right here by yourself. Then you click on the button sell, and you are good to go. Your order will be placed and your token will be sold for you for USDT. You get USDT in your wallet directly. So it's as simple as that. That is how you can actually sell your DRX token into USDT on the Gate.io once it gets listed instantly, once you get listed on the platform. All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. So I believe what I showed you in this video is going to be is going to help you guys do whatever you want to do by yourself. So I still have about $2.08 of the EGLD token in my wallet. So I think what I'll be doing here is to just give this out to those of you that don't have the gas fee in my community, and for you to be able to collect this giveaway, all you have to do is just share this video, join my Telegram channel, and post your wallet address in the comment section in the Telegram channel. All right, I'm going to leave a post there. Just post it in the Telegram channel. I'm going to select randomly and I'll share this out to those that participate in this giveaway. It's as simple as that, guys. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. Guys, join my Telegram channel. That's where I do more giveaways, and that's where I post more frequently, more often updates for you guys to see. All right, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.